Uh, ain't no telling. Tyson Foods. I might trade Tyson today.
All right, good morning, everybody. We are paper trading. Uh-oh, gotta sneeze. Hold on. The birds know I'm up, so they cutting up. Mm, you want some food? Yeah, peace, power, and profit. Um, so I'm using Webull account. Uh-oh, not good. Um, let's see if I can make this bigger. Let me pick trade up. Well, I need this down here. Let's move my screen around a little bit. So I probably should have um I'm supposed to have a top gainer. So as you can see, this is paper trading, not real trading. Okay. Paper trading, practice purpose only, educational purposes only. Trade at your own risk, do your own due diligence, do your research. I need to market. All right, so here we go. This is our top gainers for today. This is what Sunny was looking at right here, but I think it's already made a move this morning. Let's do this. Our trainer for this morning is not arrived.
Hey, so Ms. Mo, you think that arena already made we missed the move on it?
It did. It made the move. It made the move this morning. Let me go back to my chart.
I
I see
hope.
that thing. It's a arena.
Yeah.
AREN.
In. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
The volume's so low, I can't see it on the low time frame,
So
but
I get
I can't.
100,000 to pick the trade. So let me close this out. Close that. Close, close that. I don't need the analysis. I need this piece right here. Show you guys the trade. Get rid of this on the bottom. Here, a second, is my chart. To it's I'm looking for indicators and I think it's on the right. I think I need to put this on the bottom.
oh, it won't play. Let me see.
It's my buying power for my paper trader.
What
And
about?
well, we know some people who use some bots, but I'm not using a bot. Um, So let me go
Uh,
back to.
I'll be right back.
Okay, let me put it right here. So this is on the. This is it right here, and this is a 3 minute chart. So this morning, put this on. One day, 3 minutes. Yeah, see, price as soon as it opened up this morning, look at this big green candle, and then it rejected this price level up here. Okay, I need to be able to see this whole screen. I can't do this on. So we're just gonna pick trade it over here, and you can see the positions. And we're gonna place the order. Oh, so I did buy some 9. I had bought it yesterday. Let me minimize this. Let me open up this. So this is a stock that Sunny had recommended we look at this morning. And I'm saying, let me go to one day. It may have a little bit more in it, but I'm saying this morning that it has already. Let me bring that. Let me put the shades on for. It shows the after hours. Let's see if I can find it first. Bear with me, guys. I'm getting back in the groove of things. Pre-market. I wanted it to shade out. I haven't do it. It have that gray area on here. So yeah, this right here, I think it already red green camera. Now it's gonna do something else. Is the question. So let's see. So I have my Bollinger Bands up, upper band. Let me change some colors. Let me change that 20-day moving average to gold. So I can see it. Color that I can see. Okay, yeah, so that's that 20. Right? And I'll keep the upper band, lower band, and I'll make those gold. So I can see them. So that's the upper and the lower. And so you can see that. The purple is the 20-day moving average. And let me put the 200. So as African Emporium would say, the 200-day moving average acts like a magnet. Let's see where it falls. We're going to change the color so we can identify it. Just gold, but we need to make it solid so we can see it. There it goes. That's it. We can identify it. All right. So now, well, we can say that we can say that it's bound to come back to that 200-day moving average. I can roll with that. If we're looking at it, RSI. Okay, RSI is low. I have it on the 1 minute chart. Let me put it on the 3 minute chart. 3 minute chart. So you can see right here of this green candle right here. That's a movement and could possibly. Let me take off the linear regression so I can see. And I could actually take off both greens. All right, we just need a 200-day moving average. We add the 50 and the 20. Uh-oh, hold on. Take some off. And then change these over here. Change that to the 20-day moving average. And then the solid blue. And then I'll change the other one to the 50, the EMA. That was purple. I will change that to the 50. Yeah. So, as you can see up here, it did the dead cross when I forgot my colors. The 50 crossed underneath the 200 here, and it crossed under the oh my God.
Hey, Miss Mo.
Yes,
Sorry for interrupting. Can I drop you another one more ticker?
that's cool.
This is another crypto miner, and the ticker is Canan.
Okay.
Got a pretty decent setup going on right now. Had a breakout. It's going out the back coming in on the back test right now. But
What chart you on? This is 3-minute chart, and that definitely
okay, yeah.
come back
I'm down
to.
on I'm on the daily.
Oh, pre-market is already at 211. Yeah, man, we should have caught that one yesterday. That's
It's doing a back test right now.
okay. It's yeah, because it's retracing back to the 200-day moving average.
Boom. Okay. I'm tapping out because I got
That's cool.
I'm listening out of 2 ears.
Oh yeah, it has some more movement in it. That's for sure. Definitely got potential. Man, we should have caught it down here. Let's see what's back there. And what is causing it to let's see what the news is. Oh, it did that move off for earnings. Went to the upside off for earnings. That's affecting news. See the news on it. Canon Securities. Follow up on purchase order from Cipher and Stronghold. Receive. Follow on purchase order. That's a money one. Setting. Looks like he stood us up, y'all. Stand by. Okay. He had this scenario this morning. So mentally I gotta catch up. I was expecting him to be on here, but let me check on him, see where he at. All right. Yeah. Let's see. right, I just want to be able to see the chat. So yeah. All right. So good morning. Y'all seem like y'all up and ready this morning. A little bit anyways. Our trainer is not here. So let me look at some other volumes somewhere else. Maybe he overslept. We were up pretty late. Let's see what's going on my see if I got any other alerts. Scan the market. Let's look at the trade. This is the daily. Oh, we should come back there. Oh, our size down. And it's already up in the pre-market. Look at the options. They are all right. See what the financials looking like. TRs are really low. Not a lot of debt. Let's see what they're saying over here. Buy neutral, target price is 27. Look at potential to come back to this 200 and the RSI is down. Look at bar chart. See what it looks like over here. It's pretty long this morning. And Friday options. A lot of people buying. Options are very cheap though. You know.
Your forward look nice for a nice little pole position this morning, Miss Mo. I'm checking it out on the 5 minute. Yeah, F.
Okay. Let's look at forward.
That's something that gets traded multiple times a day in my little Discord. But it got a nice.
Would peak the chart all day, huh? It's over. Got my other side on the 14. Let me put my mic there. Close out.
Yep. 5 and 15 minute look good, Miss Mo.
Okay, let me change my numbers. And they got earnings coming up on this February the 6th. We should put it into this. It's like it's oversold right now. But then it does want to retrace back. Last time they had earnings, it was earnings.
Man, they got a recall.
Beat earnings. So they estimate no one to be again. Okay, they look like they're trying to round it on up. Boy, this shirt got all kind of stuff on it. Let's take this off. Let me take off some of this. Too high. Let me go to the 1 day. You on 3-minute chart? That's a 3-minute. Oh, it's overbought. So 3-minute, okay. Oh, it's yeah. Oh, that says blood spanish from there. Watch that. Mm. Okay. No, Price. You saying it looked like it's gonna make a upside move. Ooh, so it's overbought. So yeah, I mean, based off this RSI, it's way in the gutter.
Yeah, I just grabbed some. Um,
Yeah.
1174. I'm gonna try to see what happens to 1190. Like I say, it just trade about three,
Yeah.
4 times a day. Quick percentages.
Hmm. Yeah, quick little and 3 to 8%. Shoot, hey, it's better than your
Yeah,
savings account.
that's the daily play, man.
You know it. You definitely know it.
We'll see what happens. They got a recall right now with
Oh,
some of those electronic trucks.
so the recall is probably what made it resist this price point up here. Pull back.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm. Got 2 gaps over here. For 3, 4, 3 on daily. Like I wanted to come back to the upside a little bit. This could have been like a cup they handle or what they call cat head bounce, I think. What Chris said. Chris could tell me. Oh, look who in the chat. Contrarian. Bro, where you been? You ain't gonna join us on these economics? In these YouTube streets? All right, Sonny.
Hey, that's what you need to get in here, Miss Mo.
I know, his little peanut head. What you got doing? Missed some of these moves already this morning. Yeah, okay. Oh, making a little move. Look like you might have a white horse right here. Stop. Price, what you think? Rewalk Robotics. Dang, they already on the daily. They already over. For the volume. That was I should have woke up a little earlier.
Hey, which one, Miss Bo? What's the ticker?
RWLK. And I already made the move this morning. Yesterday. Could be come back down. On the hour. Yep. I wonder if this has an option. RWLK.
Low.
Rewalk Robotics.
Yeah, I'm checking that out. Like a double bottom.
Shit, they already put puts on that thing. It's already coming back down. Oh, yesterday, this look, too much. Man, this way.
No, but Miss Bo, I see what happens at 85 cents.
See
I'm on, yeah, well, I see if it come back. If it, you get a nice response at 85, you see those two. I'm on the 4 hour. You got two little swing highs, yeah, to the left of that.
Oh,
So you just had a breakout right there.
that was yesterday.
And, yeah. And if it could either start flagging right here for continuation. This is just real quick, but I would like to see it come back a little more. And definitely, if I could see that coming back to like around 86 cents, I'd jump on this with the quickness.
Yeah, that was on the top
But,
end. Yeah, it had made a new high. So I did it. Yes.
why you tell them about this last night?
I was not just listen. I said I'm just looking through the top gainers on Finviz. I know we miss it now. Yeah, it was yesterday. We just like to be behind. You got to catch up. Looks like there was a lot of plays on yesterday. Oof. Same thing with this right here. It's like they made their moves on yesterday. What happened yesterday?
Yesterday was Wednesday. Hump day. Who was that?
This is collagen pharmaceutical.
I don't know. I know the crypto. We had a flash crash. You had about 600 million liquidation right at the pre-market, about 7. There was a flash crash, and the market was, tech was really down yesterday. So as far as what happened in the market,
Contrary at INBS for long term.
oh, INBS.
Huh?
Say it one more time, Ms. Mo. I'm multitasking over here.
Indian November Bravo Sierra INBS. She said for long term. We couldn't stop.
Intelligent Bio.
Oh yeah, Intelligent Bio change it. Consolidating. 200 is up there, so
It's accumulating.
what it got going on? Let's see. Got some news. It received the NADA accreditation for its revolutionary fingerprint slit drug screening system. That was in December. So he's saying by it trading sideways right now has some potential to bust a move.
Oh man, they tearing them up on the boats and in the working this heavy equipment. Put your finger right here.
On the 3 minute, look like it's trying to this market. All right. Then he says it dropped. That's what smart money want to do because it's a new stock. Okay. Just IPO'd in October. That's the tweezer, double bottom tweezer. So yeah, it does have has potential to be bullish, that's for sure. Overall.
Hey, that's sweet right there. It just got here.
Yeah, in October. Well, it has earnings coming up February 8th.
Oh, that's the monthly. Okay. You saying tweezer top with a little into a bullpen?
Huh?
Tweezer tops into, and then they got it's kind of flagging a little bit. Those two to the right.
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all. Let me put it on the year to date. See. 32 is 6 and 9. Okay, I'm live. I'm sorry. Should have went to school. So much business. Need some medicine. Keep it rolling. Oh, somebody in the chat. Yeah, in the toiletry bag. My bad, y'all. I wasn't paying attention. There you go. It's your world. Stop sharing, Monica. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Setting.
Hey, good morning.
Don't
Yeah.
shade. Let me get it popping. What up, B?
What's up, good brothers? How y'all doing this morning?
Good morning, man. I'm just getting myself together with this coffee and stuff right now. Um, trying to set up.
Okay, that's
So you guys looked at the top gainers for the pre-market,
yeah. We've been looking at a couple of them.
which was would y'all check it out?
We checked that. Your Arga, the A AREN. We checked that one out. We checked out um RW. Hold on, go back. We checked out LK.
The rewalk.
We checked out we checked out Rewalk, and we checked out COLL. Yeah. Huh? Yes.
Did you so you looked at Arena?
Yeah, I got that on the screen right now. It definitely made a move this morning at the open. Right here. We put it on the 3 minute. It's a 3 minute chart.
If it doesn't get no volume by the morning, it's gonna drop heavy. I mean by the bell. If it don't get any volume by the bell. But some of these that's in pre-market right now, they were high in percentage in aftermarket yesterday, and that's why they still up. But some of them are going down right now.
Right. That's as soon as the market opened pre-market, they made a little move.
Like what is it? ATXI? That's a small cap one that's running. Um Let me see what's the news on this.
So we got the therapeuticals cutting up this morning.
Huh? Yeah, they've been cutting up for the last two months. That's why that's why I was saying like in waves. Like most of the companies are investing a lot of tech in pharmaceutical companies right now.
Yeah, we should definitely jump on this because they're in a phase. They reaches their final agreement with USDA for phase 3 safety study for the tramadol. Oh hell no, tramadol horrible.
Yeah,
Hey,
we looking for the money with quick pops. Like say for instance we take ATXI for instance, right? Um if you're following it, you could use the paper trade to make it make sense. So as it's going down right now, like you know, usually when it's going up, you try to catch it as it's going up. Right now, it has its cool down phase. So you're trying to catch it at as low as it can go on this cool down phase and catch it right there. And then that's where you could set up for your dang, I can't think of the word right now. Um no, set up for your damn, where your buy-in price is at.
I
I don't know.
know. I lost my. I was over here messing with it. I might have to refresh it. Hold on.
Hey, did y'all see what happened to Lilly this morning?
No, what happened to it?
what happened
They
with it?
I think they false claimed some sales numbers.
Ooh,
I don't know if it's taking bids today, but let's see where it's at. I still
Brandon.
push higher. Yeah,
Well, you talking about Eli Lilly?
yeah,
They up right now.
yeah. They up right now. Yeah, it's free market, but I don't know if it's gonna dump afterwards. Yeah.
Shit,
You,
they
you
went
said they
from
get
592 to 624. I don't know how much dumping they gonna really do.
I mean, yeah. When I say dump, I mean on the magnitude of this company, what is that? $5, $6?
Right.
You know, it's not gonna hurt the stock overall. Stock.
Yeah,
What was
I think it's because it got good catalysts all over the place. Because as
Yeah.
I'm reading it, they launched a website and home delivery option for weight loss drug. Let's see, they got another one where let's see, they have a direct to patient management health. Yeah, they've been having a bunch of news back to back to back, and that's what's been making them fire up.
Yeah.
what was it? The fake information. What was that?
So I think they fudged some of the numbers on the sales that they got in that new drug that was Ozempic.
Oh,
They was
okay.
talking about it early this morning. Trying to find the article.
That might be something new.
But it definitely was on CNCB. Shit. CNBC this morning about that.
That might be something to look into too, because of the news might be good right now because of the because of I mean they might be doing good because of the news, but if once everybody catches wind on that Ozempic thing, it might just drop.
Uh, and then another play I'm looking at is the play that y'all was talking about last night. The open foot in the back check or foot.
Everybody's talking about it in the comments. Buy now, dump later.
I mean, that's a fact. I mean, the way it's set up right now on what is that?
No, I'm about to leave. When I leave, I'm not coming back.
Where you going, Mo?
I have to go order the client in North Carolina.
Down by the riverside.
You know, that makes more money. Hey Brandon, listen, I need to I messed up my my screen for Webull. And I had it up, but I had closed it out. Now you put the little
Mm-hmm.
box up, but I don't see the settings right here, the tool, to to move it back. Is it this right here?
So if you want to make a new
Yeah.
account,
No, I want
uh,
to bring up the order. Oh, there we go.
order, you got it?
Is this it right here? No.
Not to the right, to the right.
There it is. I got it. There it goes.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah. I wanted to, but I had took it down. I was like, oh, I need Brandon. Okay, let me put it right here. All right. So I'm in the paper trading account for those who are watching on YouTube. Now let me go back to the market. All right. So here's your. All right, Sunny. Who gonna trade? You gonna do this live
ATXR.
trading?
Which one? Which stock?
Sunny gonna choose it. ATX, huh?
Now, ATXI is just one of them I was looking at, but I was just showing you that's how I look at it. You see, I'd already hit the bottom. That's where you was chasing at the bottom, and that would have been my buy-in right there for the comeback up. But I could buy it on my public account. That's where I'm cashed out at, so to play around with. ATXI, okay.
You gonna do it live? You gonna paper trade it live, or you just gonna do it inside?
I could do it live. Let me set it up real quick so I
Okay.
can get ready.
Some people in the chat, y'all pay attention to the chat. They communicating in the chat. So we're talking about Amazon, Sean, um, and Microsoft, and then Contrarian talking about FNKO, and what's the other one? He put INBS as a long term. All right.
Mm.
Somebody else gonna have to share their screen.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Okay. Stand by, y'all. Sunny, let's go to share. I'm gonna put the YouTube up so y'all can see what they're talking about right here in the chat.
The, uh, well, hold on. I'm gonna look for something else
Okay.
because it's running. I mean, it's a good setup, but it's on the page of like it wouldn't be that much money
Mm-mm.
because it's not moving. It's not moving enough. What about Jeff Brands?
This one right here, Jeff Brands, JFBR.
It's just life science.
What am I doing? Chart.
Oop, not that one. Let me go to my other one. I think this is it's like fishing. Like this part is like the hardest part of the trades.
Yeah, it looks
Waiting
like
to
that
catch that
already
fish.
we missed that early this morning, probably, or yesterday. Yesterday was definitely a go.
Well, see, the thing is, you can see it after the fact, but in reality, we want to catch it
Oh,
like,
when it first start. I mean, when you in motion.
mm-hmm. Because when it's in motion and you catch it when it's down, it's you can ride the wave. Let me look.
I was looking at some from Finviz on the top gainers on Finviz.
Levant.
Yeah, what do you think of oh man, what was it? Hold on, go back.
Inventor. No. Ain't too much really running right now.
YRD. Let's see, said Microsoft.
See, none of these, none of these. Mm. Which ones you looking at, Mo?
It's Microsoft. Somebody had put Microsoft in the chat, but I was looking at I was getting ready to look at um YRD. It made a new high. I was trying. I should have filtered that by options. See. It hasn't made a little
All right, what
move.
is it?
Pre-market YR. Oh, it ain't got no volume at all. I need to look and see if that's some volume.
Could be 20.
Mm. NEX.
NEX is running. But what is
Uh,
that? Minimum or MINM?
NIM. Oh, NIM. Ain't got no IM this morning. NIM. NIM.
MINM.
I'm sure jump to that top cadence real fast. Just looking at that thing. Didn't even come up. On let me go to Webull.
Yeah, some of these stocks on certain platforms it won't run up. Like there's one, let me go to it, called ZJYL. It's a Chinese holding company. Chinese holding company, and it's been running since its IPO like a month ago. It started off I think like $20. It's at 200 and something right now.
Mm.
Yeah.
Got your setup up?
Yeah, I have my setup up. I just don't know
Where you going
which
in?
one. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we looking at small caps. Let me see what Brandon and Screen are doing.
All right, now I'm at the charge. You keep looking at that screener like that.
Nah.
No. So the way I normally find something I'm keen to looking at, like as far as like value, you go all the way up to you got to scroll all the way up to the top.
Mhm.
See if it's on this one. Go to fundamentals. Okay, I'm sorry. Go back to technicals. All right. I'm looking for value. Go back to the first one. Where is it? I think it's in fundamentals.
The volume is they
Yeah.
moved some things around on us. Cause when I was trying to do it earlier, I was like, "Oh snap! They're moving around. Let's go to all." It's on this side over here. You got average volume over here. You got relative volume.
Relative volume.
What the world?
Why is this? Okay.
Pop-ups
Tweaking.
going wild. And you got average volume on this side.
Okay. Relative value.
And you got
You want to
current
go.
volume.
No, let's do that. Let's mess with the current value. Look at the current value and then do over 2 mil or do over 5 mil because you want value. You want movement in the stock. So that's nothing right now. Let's bring it down to 2 million.
Mm-mm.
Nothing.
Nope.
Keep going.
Mm-mm.
Damn, you get nothing.
Not on this screen, huh? You want me to do it just open? This is just
Yeah, just
this
do
is
open.
okay. Let me go back to the home.
I
Uh,
definitely got
uh,
something up on mine.
And all and 5 million.
You know why? Do you have it on?
This one's
Oh,
wide open. What?
go to the exchange. Yeah, go to Nasdaq. It might help.
I don't have any other screeners now.
We got nothing. Well,
Oh, I
nah,
go back off your preset one.
I get it now because every new day the options and not options but the actual value resets. So you shouldn't get anything until 8:30. So the actual market starts to move because it's current value,
9:30, yeah.
You talking about for the options?
not options, just stock in general.
Hmm.
Yeah, we don't got
You
nothing
did it
right
current versus average value. Because if you did average value, you'll see some stuff.
You said average?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Pre-market. Okay. All right.
And you gotta get rid of the other value. You gotta zero that out. And then there you go. And then you can break that down by sector. So if you want to look at the tech sector, I'll go all over tech. What's popping in tech
There it
far as
goes. In tech, NXTP and FRGT.
all right. And then also you can rearrange the cap. So what I do is I normally do the cap first to see which one has the highest cap, which is Apple.
Yeah.
And then I'll scroll down to the cap. And then I normally put options on the optionable.
None.
And I got
What's your,
WDC.
what's your presets though?
Oh, these are the ones I'm making up long ago as I
Yeah.
go. But I got NASDAQ. I got average
Oh,
value.
next that. Average value.
Average
Okay.
volume is over 2 mil.
Boom.
I got country as United States, and then I got optionable, all off of the first tab. And like from here, I can actually just cycle through and see what's
There you go.
comes up on my radar. So what WCB looks like a short to me in the morning. It looks like it just was trying to create a head and shoulders. All of that through the day. Because it filled that gap that it didn't fully filled it, but it's trying to fill it.
Trying to, and that 200 is of the percent. Big,
Yeah.
big volume down here. Big volume coming in.
Yeah.
It's trying to come in anyway. All right, y'all gotta share. I gotta move around.
Go.
I just gotta move around. I can stay live. Somebody else just gotta share.
I'm on my work computer right now.
Yeah. Sonny,
Honey, you sleep?
Hey,
wanna share your screen?
not really, because it'll look like crap. I'm all over the place.
Okay. So y'all could talk.
I mean, if people want to look at it, but it's not gonna make no sense because I'm on like three
Right.
different platforms looking at three different things.
So you're gonna talk about it as you go?
I mean, I can, but I'm
You
not
got some
moving
listeners.
slow. Yeah, I can, but I'm not moving slow. I can talk as I go. Like right now, okay, I'm looking for a possible play. I got into one of my accounts, so I got about a good $200 or $300 I can kind of mess up. So I'm looking at different plays at small cap because they run faster. And not only do they run faster, it could be a fast up or a fast down. So the rhythm is about how you catch it. So if it's already running up and it's a small cap stock like that, you don't want to catch it as it's going, and you don't want to catch a falling knife. So when it comes down, you want to see where the support line is for it coming down, and that's where you want to try to get your buy-in part at. So like looking at it on one of them that I've been eyeing is ATXI. Um, right now, I kind of missed the buy-in on that part while we were talking, but the buy-in part on that would have been about 29.30 cents. Yeah. Hold on. Let's go back to it. Yeah, the buy-in. It's still a chance to buy in, but the buy-in part that I would already got in would have been at 29 cents for ATXI. Um, let's see. The things that I do see in it is I see probably a potential to 5 to 10 cents to the upside and probably 5 to 10 cents to the downside. So the things that I look at is how many shares can I get out of this with the amount of money I have, and with the shares that I do get, if it does go up 5 to 10 cents, how much would I get? And that's what lets me know if the stock is worth it for me to buy into it or not. Because it's not like you're gonna buy a penny stock like that and it's just gonna shoot up a bunch of dollars in one day. Doesn't happen like that all the time. A lot of time people is just buying into it because not only because of the volume, but because of the news catalyst that pumps the stock up. So we're looking for the pumped up stocks, but we're looking to buy in and get out just to get that quick money.
What was the stock again?
Um, the one I was talking about was ATXI. Right now, I'm looking at MINM. MINM is it's at $5 a share right now, but is running crazy because it got a high value and it got low float. I think the floats is in like 600,000 or something like that. But the stock is at $5 a share and the volume is at 4 million right now.
Nice.
And if we're going off of the catalyst of last month, this time last month it was at 62 cents and it jumped all the way to $10.28 in one day. Oh wow, this is running. I think I'm I think I might get this one. Let's see how this runs. Where we at? Yeah. I think I'm gonna jump on like 20 of these real quick. Um, and are you looking on yours right now too?
Yeah, I'm looking at well, I'm on my work desk computer. Look at that trades. What was yours again?
MINM. I'm trying to
MI.
catch it. I'm trying to catch it at the $5 mark. It's like 10 cents above where I'm trying to catch it at. So it's still 15 minutes until the bell, and right now it's like at a pause because you got a lot of buy-ins getting ready for the market to open.
Yeah, it's at 5:05. It's playing around the pre-market.
Yeah, it's coming down, coming down. I'm trying to catch it as it's coming down.
Yeah, it's playing around between $5.
Yeah, as soon as the market opens, it's gonna fire off. This other one shooting too. See this? I kind of want to sell a position in this other one, but I want to see what it's gonna do when the market opens.
I mean, if you got the capital for it, go ahead and do it. Make sure you have a decent plan going into it. Anybody got any tickets in the back chat? I can look at it right quick.
Hey, I threw Can in there earlier. That's another crypto miner. It's
Oh, my favorite
made
OG. Where you been at, man?
You said TAN, the energy fund?
Can like Charlie Alpha November.
Oh, can.
Yeah.
You guys move
Yeah,
back down
yeah,
to
it got a
stash.
hard drop. What's the catalyst on it?
It's a crypto miner.
Canaan or Canon?
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
purchase orders from Cypher and strong ciphers. Um, it's got a heavy ass drop right now.
Bro, it look like a pump and dump.
Yeah,
I'm
it
looking
got
for
it.
that pullback. That's what I'm trying to catch.
Bro, I'm trying to tell you, boy, that income
Yeah,
is
yeah. I don't know
negative
about the
three.
pullback.
Yeah,
Let
the
me look
negative
at the news.
336,000, 36 million.
You see
And
it's
this
finna fall
market cap,
through?
man, go to FinViz and type it in, look at the market cap and the income. 'Cause that don't match up to me.
Yeah, the
I mean,
only
if that's
reason why
true.
it had a spike yesterday was because of the it says right here that they secured follow on purchase orders. That's why it had a spike yesterday, but this morning it had a heavy drop.
You like this Japanese company?
Which one?
No, that's Brother Price. I think it's Japanese, no, Chinese company.
If it at open, if it doesn't break past 220, it's going down.
Mm.
Yeah, because right now your on the moving average, your 13 is below the 48, and it has the 48 as its resistance line. If it breaks past that, the next step is 220. If it can't break that 220, it's over.
Mm.
Um, over here.
Brother Price, was this just for like a quick
Say
trade,
again?
or was this for a quick
Yeah.
trade, or was this for a long term?
No, this quick trades, bro. We looked at
Okay.
these this morning in my little crypto Discord, and that's one of the miners.
I got a miner for y'all that's eating up all of that. It's almost like the next mirror. Let me get on here real quick to it's called Clean Spark.
Clean Spark. What's the
Mm-hmm.
ticket?
CLSK.
Yeah, that's good.
Whenever Bitcoin runs, this shit runs.
Yeah, that's how that Marathon Digital is, and
Yeah, it's like a
my
baby marathon.
right.
Yeah, whenever that runs though, this runs like every time. And so like to measure it, like when Bitcoin had got to like 56,000, this stock had got from $1 something to $42.
Yeah, big.
And then you know how they just had the Bitcoin rally last year up to like what 46, 47? And that's when this stock started running again, coming from $3.
Yeah, but we had a flash crash yesterday, about a 10% drop.
Yeah, I
So
mean, it was yesterday's yeah, I mean, well, yesterday and the day before, it's been like people have been waiting on it anyway because we've been rallying so high and we had
right.
already hit the top.
No, that definitely was the pullback. We've been waiting on a lot of stuff. So
Let's see.
it should settle. This thing is already at 10. It's at 1091 in the pre. Yeah, it got a nice little upside.
204. Oh, it's moving. If airship, if it breaks that 208, it's gonna start running again. Airship is AISP. Let's see. Hey Brandon,
Yes, sir.
when you trade, are you looking for things that's already running or things that's setting up to run?
Combination of both. If it's a familiar stock that I know, um, I'll take a quick glance at it, and if I see a certain setup, I'll put in my thesis or do my thesis on it right quick, and I'll just watch it. And then on like other stocks, I know they have an actual form to it or a setup already in it, or start a setup in it. I'll put on a position for that So, like, I'm over here just looking around. I'm looking at the ZI, what's this, Zoom Information Technologies. If you look at that, you'll see it at 1682. And if you take a look at it on the 3-month, 1 day, well, everybody can tell you that it's curling over back over to the downside. So,
Wait,
one
which
of my
stock
people,
was that?
ZI, Z, and the letter I,
ZI?
yeah, ZI,
Okay, I got you.
Zoom
Zoom
Information Technology.
information. Yeah.
Yeah, it's at 1682 right now. It's change, and it's trying to press, press past this point.
This would have to be like a buy and hold.
No, I'm not holding it. If anything,
No,
I'm
I'm
short.
talking about like buying it right now, but holding it. Because I'm looking at the volume, it's only 154. So I was like, okay, well, it's probably a buy and hold because you can see it's going to be doing something else.
No, for me, this is going to be actually a short for me. See, that's where I go into certain strategies for certain stocks. So this one, if I see the current low back down to the downside, well, I know there's heavy value coming back down or being depleted. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in a short for that order or for that particular ticker or this stock in case, because you see it run up to the
Yeah, I see.
upside around, let's see, hold on, let me go to this one. Not as long,
But the long-term catalyst is going down, though. The stock is going down.
right. I mean, but if you look at it pre-market right now, it's up 1707. Well, it's not gonna hold 1707. It's gonna come back down eventually. Because if like you said, actually, if you see the long-term thesis on it,
Mm-hmm.
you make your strategy. And then I don't know if you're on what is it? I don't know if you're on TradingView, but if you do it all, or you go down to a year, or let's see, I got it on a 3-month.
You got it on
You
3
can't
months?
tell me,
Like,
yeah,
uh,
3 months. You can't tell me that's not coming back down to the downside. It shot up around what's that? December. Yeah, December
shit, on the 3 month,
13th.
it looked like it's bottoming out.
It's trying to, but it's curling back over to the downside.
On yours, on mine, after it hit that $12 mark in October, it had nothing but upside
Right.
until 2 days ago.
But
Which
if you
which
think
one is
about it like
this?
this, it's ZI. But
Oh,
if you
okay.
think of it like this, who in their right mind has the capital? And this is always how my mindset works. Like, who has the capital to push something up from $15 all the way up to 18.69? Adds more into it, and all of a sudden start to ease and let it out. If you look over to the right, you see them gap downs. That's big money coming out those gap downs.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
And then you still see some more left from 16 all the way down to 15.50. So, I mean, does this have potential to move up to the upside? Of course. Does it have potential to move to the downside? Of course. My thesis is, for me, this trade is going to continue down probably like another $1 or $2 or $3. I'm hoping that's where I'm going to go ahead and capitalize off of that $3. It's like the next support level for that for me is around 1570. Because you want 3 consecutive touches. Any more is golden. So I got 3 consecutive touches if you look over to the left. So you
Yeah,
do,
I see what you're saying.
Yeah. So the SR flip, that's a big SR flip right there.
yeah. So this is what I'm looking at. I mean, this is what I train my eye to look for. Consecutive touches, the overall movement of the stock as a whole, and then minimize it in. And then does it have a catalyst? Sometimes it does have a catalyst. Sometimes it doesn't have a catalyst. It's still all good to me. because I can hold on to stock as far as like options, because that's what my primary focus on right now, options. I can hold on to a stock and get burned by theta if it's like 2 cents, which is $1 a day.
See, this is why you the GOAT. That's what I'm saying.
I ain't no goat, man. It's just replaying the same stuff that Oba taught us, learning it, coming up with your own plan, coming up with your own thesis. I mean, this stuff is not hard. Trading is not hard. It's very simple.
Oh yeah,
You
yeah.
gotta sit
Once you
down
get
and
into
piece
it,
this
it
shit
gets
together.
easier.
It really does. But the biggest problem a lot of people don't have is confidence to pull that trigger behind it. If you're not able to pull this trigger when you see your setup, there's no purpose on playing the
Well,
game.
emotional trading, yeah, same thing. Because emotional trading is the killer.
Yeah,
That's dangerous.
it is. Like I was looking at this one and I was looking at Zoom. I already have a position on. If you look at Zoom, not Zoom, Zillow, tell me what you see.
ZIL.
No, just Zillow. Z.
What about Zillow again?
If you pull it up and tell me what you see if you look at it. It should stick at you, grab you right in the
Um,
face, it should come out like a
The,
sore thumb.
I
the
see a
same thing we
downward
just got
pattern.
to. Yeah,
Hmm?
round the
I
top,
see a
round the
downward
top.
pattern.
See, it's the same setup.
Yeah, all the way down to about what, $46.
Yep, $46. You got all that potential to the downside. Now, I know half of that's not going to clear. All of that's not going to clear, so I go half. So half of, where is it at now? To 46? If I had to guesstimate, it's probably 50, 51, 52. I'll put a trend line right there and see if it bounces off of that. If it does, I'm out to stop. Now, this is my thesis going to the downside. And that's a technical aspect. That's on the technical aspect of my thesis.
Oh shit, the market open.
Yeah, we
Yep.
open, man.
All right. Running like a motherfucker. Let me see.
I go to Pops.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom.
Well, I tell y'all, look at ZI. They're
Look at
moving.
who?
ZI.
ZI. The one we was looking at. It's
Yep.
yeah, it's going down. Remember I was telling you about the airship?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's running up now. So the only thing it's been waiting on is the volume, because it stays stagnated for a little bit. It's just waiting on volume. So it has a little bit of upside to it. But the one that I really want to get on is that MNIM, the one I was telling y'all about.
What's it doing?
Nothing. It's gonna start selling in a little bit. I'll try to catch it as it drops to that support line. Because if they start holding for too long, it's gonna
Mhm.
drop.
Don't need to hold it too long.
Let's see. What is this? Jeez.
What's the ticker again? MNIM.
MINM.
Okay.
But yeah, I was looking for the bottom on that one, but I might try to jump in Omega.
Bush is jumping.
Yeah, I might fuck with that.
Here it comes. Yeah, nice gap up.
Which one you talking about?
I'm looking at the what's this minimum, whatever
Mm-hmm.
from the close yesterday. Yeah, today had a nice gap up. I don't know if you're gonna hold.
Yeah, I think it done reached its height. So
Yeah.
this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna jump into Omega, which is medium cap, and I think it's gonna be halting in another couple minutes.
Now, if y'all, I don't know if you guys are watching ZI.
Is it still going down?
Oh yeah,
You already did you have an option on it?
I'm about to put one on it right now. See what I can get out of it.
Yeah,
Options,
both of them.
$10 for it.
Zillow and let me flip back.
Oh yeah, that I'll
Oh,
probably
that
give like
thing.
10 $5 options at $15 a strike price. What you think?
What's
I said five $10 options on a $15 strike price.
I'll probably get something. So that's another strategy for me. I like comfort with mine. So what I mean by comfort is the assurance of saying, okay, this stock is going to be in the money, especially if it's like $5 or like $10 or $30, whatever. I'll get, I'll get that comfort. I'll get in the money in the general direction of where it's going. I don't, I hate going out of the money and hoping something like that. But for this particular
No,
stock, I
I'm
probably,
looking at it is its bottom was at $12 and something. Right now it's at 17. It just dropped down almost 50 cents as soon as the market opened. So another dollar for it to drop another dollar wouldn't is not hard to believe. So that's why I said if it's at a $15 strike price and it's only $5, get 10 of them, it's gonna be in the money eventually.
see, that's the thing though. I don't want eventually though. I want a firm and just say, hey, I got my money in. And I get what you're saying. Like you want more bang for your buck, but when it comes down to trading, I'd rather have a firm, you know, general direction. I need to have a firm, you know.
I mean, but in reality, there ain't no such thing
Yeah,
as being firm because
like a firm.
the market is unpredictable. So
Yeah,
anything
it's
is possible
unpredictable.
to happen.
Yeah, but like let's say it drops down to 15 or whatever to your strike price, right? But let's say you forgot to, plot out your key levels and it bounces right off the 15 and it goes back up to $17.
Yeah, see now I'm different. I on something like that, I'll be on the page of where as soon when I buy it, I'm setting up a stop loss so I don't miss it because I'm all over the place and I like to look at a bunch of trades.
Okay. See, I mean, I don't know how you do it, but I tend to I
Oh,
was
but
that
that's
way.
why I say that 20% thing, because a lot of
Uh-huh.
times I might not be looking at it, so I have to set a stop loss for 20%. Sometimes it's way over 20%, but
How
I
many
already
how
have
many
my
trades are
stop
you
loss.
looking at?
Um, mm, while we talking about it, I messed up. Shit. Uh, I'm looking at a potential of 3 right now. Oh, damn. Messed that up. Damn, I was waiting to jump into that. messed that up. Yeah.
What up?
That Omega,
Which way did it go?
huh?
Which way did
Oh,
it go?
it's ringing to the upside, but I think that it's going to end up holding today. Yeah. What's the upside? Upside is boom. Mm, hmm. Oh yeah, that's coming down hard. Heavy sales. So what plays are you got right now? You still only watching that ZI?
ZI, and I'm watching my other trade, Zillow.
What's Zillow doing right now?
I mean, it's working for me. I'm $70 in right now. This is the trade I had on that I put on shit probably like 3 days ago. I'm actually doing a vertical spread on it. So hold on, let me take a picture so you guys can catch it.
Do you know how to trade using a butterfly?
I do. I get the concept of it. You got to buy or four legs of options to have that form, but that's a tight narrow. Like you got to have some capital to do that. I mean, like you can do it with minimal capital, but you got to watch it.
So it's not that easy.
It's not that easy, but it's not difficult. You just got to know like what options place where. Because you need four of them. I think you need a call. I think you need a put. I think you need to sell two calls. You need to buy two puts.
What about the contour?
Yeah, Condor.
Yeah, condor.
That one I'm not familiar with. I'm familiar with vertical puts and Iron Condor. That's it. Just those two.
Man, it's nothing really running right now.
But Mo, she sleep.
Mm-hmm.
She went back to bed.
I'm not asleep. Y'all crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this is my story. Let me do this.
I I can't. I'll be back in a second. Hold on.
Okay, on the 5 minute setup. It's above. We have a drop to 513. What
Didn't
you
one of y'all
looking at, Mo?
Didn't one of y'all see I was looking at Lily?
Eli, I was looking at this morning because they came out with some false claims.
Yep. And then would you do some puts? Or you
Nah, I
shorted?
ain't do no put. I ain't messing with that. I ain't messing with that.
No,
That's
that was
too
a
much.
good one. Remember, because I was telling you they had good catalysts, so that's why the stock had ran up. But then when you had that information about them fudging the numbers,
Mm,
that was a good setup for puts. Like if everybody was watching and they was paying
mm.
attention to the things you were saying, they would have been winning right now
So yeah,
on the put.
yeah, I see. Yeah, I see it right now. It jumped down.
Yep.
It went down $15.
Yeah, and that still ain't nothing to that stock. So
What
I
about
mean, I'm not.
AMD? Y'all looking at it in AMD?
I'm long term AMD. I don't care what that does. Actually, I might get some more.
Wait, what you mean that wasn't nothing? That was some shit. Cause
What from Lily?
yeah, cause
No, what I mean by like that wasn't shit. I mean like far as like company itself, like losing $15 is not gonna hurt them. That's what I meant.
cause the puts that was $88 is now $600.
Eh,
Oh, then it was a
So I'm just
I'm
saying.
pissed. I'm
yeah.
pissed.
Another ball game.
So that's why I said that would shoot $15 is a lot, especially when you got a high premium.
Yeah. And you know what? Lily's pretty much saving the market for the guys who's going short right now. Because Zillow hasn't been doing nothing for me like the last 2 weeks. Now all of a sudden it's coming down to the downside. So I
What
think I
about
might just
Walgreens?
Walgreens is
Walgreens.
trash
What
too.
did I just hear about Walgreens? They just signed a deal with a firm on a buyback
God,
payback later program.
God damn. Look at Walgreens. Look at that Mo holding out. Look at this shit. Boy, they just on earnings. What did they
I
beat?
told you that last night. What you talking about?
Well, they beat. They beat on everything. God damn.
What's
I brought that
POL
up
doing?
last night when I brought up the
Go back
earnings.
to
I
you.
said Walgreens got earnings, and I brought up the chart. I got
I
that from Black
probably fell
Box.
asleep.
No, I had looked up the earnings, and then I went to Black Box just a second ago. It had
Mm-hmm.
flow. That's why I brought it up again. Matter of fact, somebody just more calls, and they got long. They got um um
All right,
puts
I'm gonna
on
get
the
this.
puts on the 19th January 19th expiration date, and call on the January 5th expiration date, and June 21st, 2024 calls on Walgreens.
That can be comprised of certain strategies they're doing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So it
that's
could be a vertical spread. You know, they might count for calling and put. Boy, look at this.
there's a block. Some
Mo
more just
holding out.
no. I told you that last night.
All right, that's a breakdown. What's
It was on the.
up?
I had went to earnings calendar when I was talking about after I did the FDA approval calendar. I went to the earnings calendar. So let's look into some earnings because it's some earnings season. So I was like, man, everybody playing into earnings, making good moves. Let me look at earnings because there's a lot of people have some earnings coming up February, the first week of February. We can look at it later.
Ooh.
I can't share my screen. I'm about to start driving. I think I'm gonna have to go to North Carolina tomorrow.
Jeff Brands holds it up.
Who?
Jeff Brands, remember I was talking about that this morning?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You did. You said
they hold it
wait
to the
for
upside.
the.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Smart for Life Science. Oof, they getting hammered. Yep. I guess I'm gonna do that. Jump into the ATXI, see what that do. What's that? 60. What's it going on? All right, let's see what's going on. Damn, I missed it. No, I didn't. Can you guys hear me?
I can hear you. Let's go.
Okay. I think I'm gonna change my
Huh?
my pricing.
No.
Catch it. Got it. All right. All right, you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Okay.
I need to grab
Yeah, I was trying to
the
catch the ATXI before it ends up
well, not all of
the
them. This
13
one.
and the 48 end up crossing. So I bought into it at 29 and yeah, I bought into it at 29. Put it on the 5. Yeah, I bought into it at 29. The support line should be at 38 cents. And
Put this one to the top.
huh?
I'm sorry.
Well,
Go
I'm
ahead.
telling you about the trade. So the trades that we was watching. So the ATXI, I was waiting on the volume to really kick. The volume started kicking. I ended up buying it at 29. Right now it's ranging back and forth, going from 28 to 30. So just watching it like that, seeing what it do. I'm waiting on it to actually cross. And another play that I'm looking at as far as the setup is shit, what is that called? Oh, the all four C's. The one we was talking about yesterday. Right now I think it's at $6. I'm trying to wait for it to drop down to about 580. And Airship is running too. If y'all still was staying on when I was talking about that earlier. And Airship was just waiting on the volume. It's its volume is usually averaged out at 500,000, but right now it's been having a whole lot of news on it, based on they changed their business model, and it's been running for the last few days. So what that ATXI looking like? Mo not even paying attention. Dang, everybody went silent on me? That's crazy.
No,
Nah,
I'm
but
here.
this
I was getting
this
the
is how I
car.
look at things when I trade every day when I do my trades. So just
Okay.
showing you. Right now we're up on ATI. Um, not much, by like $5 or $6. But we're looking for it to run. We're not even caring about that. We're looking for it to run at least to about 35 to 38. If it as it goes up, if it starts to show resistance or whatever, it's time to start cutting. And that's how you see green take green.
Okay, that's cool. All right, we'll resume this evening and tomorrow morning.
Yep. And y'all keep watching ATXI and also check out that C4. Y'all let me know what it do today later.
All right, ATX and C4. Got you.
Mm-hmm.
So peace, y'all. Y'all have a good one.
All right, peace.